back to my channel. Vlogging in a parking lot, so I'm not used to this, but today I wanted to do like a couple days in my life because I'm doing some fun things this weekend. It is 5:21. I have an event at 5:30 that I'm going to. It is Tay's layover event, like listening party. So yeah, the album just came out today and it was so good. It was definitely his vibe, a type of music, nice jazz, piano. It was just beautiful. I really loved slow dancing. I loved the jazz break at the end. That was really good. And then I love For Us. That one is so pretty. I love the beat for that. And yeah, it was just such a great album. I'm excited to listen to it again. I'm excited to get my albums. They're coming from Weavers, so they're not here, but yay, I'm excited. Also, tomorrow is the JK birthday event. So yeah, they're splitting up Namjoon and JK's birthday this year, so I think Namjoon and Jimin will be an event later in October, I think. But yep, I'm wearing a very Tay outfit, but I feel like we have similar styles, so this was easy to put together. But yeah, I'm excited to go into the K-pop store. I don't need anything from the K-pop store though, so I hope I don't buy anything, but should be little activities and stuff. But this K-pop store is new. It's about like a year old, so it's nice to see some events. It's nice that the store is growing. And yeah, supporting my friend because she's putting this event on, so let's go in.
I saw you're doing a cup sleeve, but we're not going to all these.
It is the next day, Saturday, and I'm getting ready for the Jungkook event. That is today. I'm running a little behind because I had a doctor's appointment this morning and then went to Target to do some errands. I'm just now starting hair and makeup. I want to wear like a Jungkook outfit, but I don't have a lot of black items, and I would say that me and his styles are very different. I mean, like, I love big baggy pants, but I don't know if I want to dress like him. So we'll see. Today I'm just wearing this like crop top and then like a big oversized flannel and some baggy jeans. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna see, but they're splitting up birthdays, like cup sleeves. They usually do like a non-cook one, since Namjoon and JK are like a week apart in birthdays. So it's just a solely JK birthday event. And then the Namjoon one will be with Jimin, and then probably like next year they'll probably do like a single Namjoon one, but should be exciting because I'm also 97 baby, so we love celebrating the fellow 90s. Here's my outfit and get ready and going, and then after this video I'll do like a big haul of everything that I got from the Tay event and the JK event. So yep. Okay, I think this is the outfit I'm gonna wear. So I'm wearing these like high-waisted dress pants. They're from Aritzia. They're, you know, baggy. Okay. And then I'm wearing like a belt and a crop top that's white, and then this shirt is just like a see-through white button-up. And yeah, also I feel like this is a very Subin from TXT outfit. I don't know. I feel like he would wear something like this. And then I'm gonna wear these shoes. And I think that's my outfit. Very black and white, but I feel like that's very jungkook. But yeah. I also did a really simple makeup. It's just glittery. And we're ready. I have no posters up on this wall. I do want to put up, just to show you guys, the Namjoon Indigo poster. And then I want to put up this. It's upside down, but it's TXT and it will match my room, so I'm excited. But yeah, that's my outfit. I'm here. This is a new place, so I'm excited to go in. Let's go. I'm also like 8 minutes late. Well, not 8 minutes late, but it started at 2, which is late for me. I'm supposed to vlog, but I didn't. I am back. I am so tired, but I'm gonna do a haul of everything that I got this weekend. First I'm gonna start with the taste stuff. So for the listening party, there was a CD decorating thing. So this is the one I got. They were all different. And I just decorated it with cute little stickers. I'm not too crazy with decorating, but just an empty CD case. That's what it says on the inside. And I'm excited to use this because I'm gonna get like there's 3 versions of the album, and so there's gonna be a CD that I'm gonna put in this. And yeah, I'm excited to use this as like a little free gift for going. There's this cute little ticket. I can use it as a bookmark. It has all of his songs on the back. And then this is the photo card. So this is the back. And then this is the photo card I got. There were like little random ones. So it's him and his doggy. One of like the sponsors was this Grin. I think that's how you pronounce it. And they made a little mini Tanny. So cute. And then the other sponsor was Pretty Parasocial, and they like made a custom like print thing. It's of his like album cover. So cool. And then you get to customize it with little stickers. I haven't put mine on yet. These are the ones I got. This one, and these. So that was everything I got at the listening party for JK birthday. This is the same event sponsors, and then Pretty Parasocial, which was the one who did this, also had a little booth at the JK day. They made this custom print. So cute. And then they also had a little booth set up, and they're selling some things. So this was like a print that they made for Lollapalooza. And then I got a few like lighters. So I got this Jimin one. This little face, obsessed. And then I got this Taeyeon one. It's just him. And then for another lighter, I have this extra one that I can put on. It's Taeyeon from his Esquire photo shoot. So that was cute. Also, my MOA friends, I sent them photos, and they wanted me to buy some stuff. There were some really funny ones. We have the Subin one. We have another Subin one. This one is also Subin in a skull, and he's giving the middle finger, which is so funny. And then this is this Yeonjun one. And yeah, these are super cute. They're not on lighters because I'm gonna mail this to my friend. And then for the cup sleeve, which is the most important thing, I got this photo card and they were all random. So I got Vampire Coup. This is JK Day. And then I got this button. It's from his Left and Right music video. It's so cute. Look at his face. And then this was the cup sleeve. Super cute. It's all like his like live streams because he does a lot of those now, which is so cute. But from some of his recent ones, he's so happy. I love when he does these. They're so great. But the last thing that I got, I've been finally got around to trading with my friend. I had Huninkai sign postcard and she had my bias, which is Taeyeon, and we finally got around to trading. Here it is. My signed Taeyeon postcard. Taeyeon, so cute. He signed this. That's so crazy, but I can't believe I have this. Yes, that was my little haul. I don't know if I'm gonna end this video here or like vlog tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow, but that is this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.